Handicap 26 here, just repairs and hobbies, and we got the paint in the Ziploc bag, so that should be good. And let's take the tape off this, if we can. Pull it off. Hope you guys and girls and guys doing well today. I'm doing okay. Thanks for asking. I can't get that piece off. I wonder why. There we go. Get that off. Get the trigger off. Get that off. Get that off. Okay. Get a big brush here. Get the black paint out. Okay. Still good. I need some glasses. Try to avoid the screws. The screws we're going to make silver color again with the chrome. Just going in there and painting what we can here. Pretty much if you choose a good paint, it'll self-level, which means it'll even out. You know, you won't have any streaks. You could choose to airbrush this, but then you'd have to tape it off again. You know, the outside frame. That's the printer you hear in the background. We always got a project going for you guys and girls and guys. See, there's a screw right there. Get the streaks out of it. Pull the paint. You can only pull it so far, the paint, you know, and you have to get more paint. But if you try to work the paint so that it helps in self-leveling, it's good. Go around the screw. And the Ziploc bags, they're about $9 for a good sized box, you know. And if they get dirty, you just throw one out and get another one. Okay, now we're gonna switch over to a different brush. What did I do with the brush? Here it is. We're gonna do the sights. Okay. This is actual size, actually. The actual size of what it looks like. This originally he went to buy it back in, I would say, the late 80s. It was about $2,500 to buy. I think they still make it. I don't know what the price of it currently is. But it's the Automag, you know. I think AMG made it. I think. Oops. We don't want to do that. Put my finger right on the grip. It's a special cut down version cartridge. I forgot what they cut down. I think a 308 rifle cartridge, and they form the cartridge for the 44. I think. I'm not sure. Take this off here to the front sight. I hope you can see this. I'm sorry if I'm out of focus. I can't look at the camera and paint at the same time. I don't have a cameraman. Let's turn this over. Paint the front sight. Okay, we got that done. I'm putting it down on the wrong side. I'm gonna put it down on that side. So that's what it looks like so far. I have to do the edges. I'm gonna do the trigger. So I got to change to a different brush to do the edging here, but we're all done with this right now. It's got a rack for it. I made a rack for it. Okay, there's the rack. It's gonna go on. I may just glue it onto the rack and put it on the shelf. It's gonna go in there. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. God bless you. Please rate, subscribe, and give the thumbs up. And I'm trying to reach 100,000 subscribers. I can only do it with your help. So bye for now.